This is trade recap of May 14th, 2026. Again, we are at all-time highs, so what do we want to wait for? Longs. Longs and longs only, okay? So at market open, we were in this 4-hour bullish gap. However, there was a 4-hour bullish gap down here that was more discounted that I wanted to see us come into. So market opened around here. So what I was looking for was an open low, close high, kind of maybe. I don't care, but I hold up in here because it was so close to we've edged this more discounted 4-hour and then a pump up. However, that just didn't happen. As soon as market open, went straight almost to all-time highs. As you can see, see here, the first 15 minutes we literally edged all-time highs by a couple of points. So then I was thinking, okay, we've edged all-time highs now. I'm looking for longs still to all-time highs. On ES doesn't really matter, we're just all-time high bullish. So we created a 15-minute gap down here. I was looking for an open low, close high again. However, we did not get that. We did, however, come into this 5-minute first presented gap. So that's what we were reacting off, okay? Still here, I was expecting us to come down to this low. We didn't. Then, on this bullish leg up, we managed to create a 5-minute bullish gap. Now, this is not technically high time frame sponsored, but it is sponsored from the 5-minute first presented, but it's not the worst sponsor in the world. So create this 5-minute bullish gap, and we come into it. We create a 5-minute rejection wick as well, so that we want to reject this area. So we're not going to come down all the way here. And I'm assuming this low is more protected, more or less protected, yeah. And it was really sloppy, to be honest, but we did have a 3-minute to inverse. This little green thing here, we had a 3-minute gap that we could have inversed, and we ended up inversing it after we tapped the 50% line literally to perfection of this 5-minute rejection wick. So although it's unsponsored, all-time highs is just such a good draw, especially when we edged it like this. So I'm on eval, so I'm more up to risking for maybe less setups. Maybe I would take this one funded. I'm not sure because it was unsponsored. It was mid, and also this 30-minute candle. I was thinking, okay, can we resweep this? But we're not even strong enough to resweep it. So usually, when the 30-minute candles, we create a down wick like this one here. We create a down wick, and then we propel up. So it's open, low, close, high. However, we didn't really want to take out any liquidity with candles. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm up for longing this. All-time high is a great draw. We had a great break-even point here, external high, and yeah, the shit banged. But then again, it probably wasn't the best trade. Like it was unsponsored. We had a 15-minute kind of out of stop loss, but it was enough for me to take it on eval for sure. But I don't know about actual XFAs or actual live accounts. And we also managed to come and tap into 50% of this range up here perfectly, which is another thing that made me want to take this trade. I wasn't loving the displacement before this. We didn't get much displacement here. I'm thinking, okay, this doesn't close over. Then we really, really closed over. That was a big close, and that's also what got me into taking this trade. There was a small minute here, but we really displaced up. Had my stop at more or less the 50% of the 5-minute rejection wick, and yeah, I think my stop was at the low of this 5-minute. This came into 50% of this rejection wick here, and then it banged. This was on eval as well, so I was considering whether to just hold it for my profit target, which would have been like a 1 to 4. And it looks like it's edging me now. But I just stopped myself out here because I don't care. Really. Wait, hold on. Let's go to live market. Ooh, yeah, it probably will hit the 1 to 4, so I would have passed on my evals, but I don't really care. We got like 1.1 to 1.6 anyway, something like that. Yeah, 1 to 1.6. So I was not mad about just taking out there, and yeah, shit banged up. I think we took 1L at the start of the week. It's just so stupid. Missed Tuesday because I had an exam. There was like 4 trades in that day that I could have taken, and they all won, and everyone won that day. And one day I wasn't there, which is so annoying. But hey ho, that's what happens when you're trying to trade as a uni student, I guess. Um, so up 0.6 on the week, technically. Um, but maybe we'd be up more if we traded on Tuesday. Didn't take any trades yesterday, I don't think. Yeah. And so up 0.6 R on the week, which is our 3rd week in positive R, which is nice. It's slow though, it's been like literally 1 R, 0.8 R, and then we're up now 0.6 R. But slowly making progress. Slowly making progress. But I have been on these funders for a long ass time, so I want to just get rid of it. I want to get rid of it, honestly. I want to pass this. So I'm probably taking maybe more risky trades, but I don't care. And that is the trade recap of today. And looks like we would have hit 1 to 4 here. Oh, someone have passed on my evals. Come on, do it to me. We still haven't taken it. We're edging this 4 out, this 1 to 4 RR here. Are we going to get it? Oh. Imagine. Hey, that's what I try. You can see I'm not lying about my entries and stuff. Look, trade rate down here. I don't know if I'm allowed to show you the actual things. We risked 1,000 on this, and we got 1.6 back, which is nice. And yeah, boom, done for the day. Really don't want this to hit. I want this to reverse and hit my break even right now, just so I know I wouldn't pass my funders. But that's probably not going to happen, is it? So that's me done.